Outstanding design defines the 2009 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.